In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a PowerPoint presentation step by step, including how to insert pictures, add audio, and apply a professional design to your slides. Whether you're creating a presentation for school, work, or a personal project, this simple guide will help you get started quickly and easily. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint file. Go to Presentation.pptx and open it in Microsoft PowerPoint. Once the file loads, you'll see your main slide workspace where you can start building your presentation. This is where all your content, like text, images, audio, and design elements will appear. To begin adding content, go to the top menu and click on Insert. The Insert tab allows you to add different types of media and elements to your slide, including pictures, audio, shapes, charts, and more. Now click on Pictures. This option lets you add images to your presentation. After clicking Pictures, select This device. This allows you to upload an image directly from your computer. Once your file browser opens, locate the image you want to use. You can either double-click the image or drag and drop it directly into PowerPoint. After inserting the image, you can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners and reposition it anywhere on the slide by clicking and moving it. This helps you customize the layout to match your presentation style. Next, let's add audio to your presentation. Again, go to the Insert tab at the top. Click on Insert, then select Audio. This feature allows you to add background music, narration, or sound effects to your slide. After clicking Audio, choose the audio file from your computer. Just like with images, you can drag and drop the audio file into PowerPoint. Once inserted, you'll see an audio icon appear on your slide. You can move this icon anywhere you like. You can also click on it to access playback settings, such as playing automatically or when clicked. Now that you've added your media, let's improve the overall look of your presentation. Go to the top menu and click on Design. The Design tab gives you access to different themes and visual styles that instantly change the appearance of your slides. Browse through the available themes and click on any design you like. As soon as you click one, PowerPoint will automatically apply that theme to your entire presentation. This includes background styles, fonts, and color combinations, giving your slides a clean and professional look without extra effort. You can click through different design options until you find the one that best fits your topic. Choosing the right design makes your presentation more visually appealing and engaging for your audience. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a PowerPoint presentation, insert pictures, add audio, and apply a design theme step by step. As you continue working on your slides, you can add more content, duplicate slides, and customize everything to match your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.